Everyone shopping for a new smartphone wants to know about specs. But to find your gadget match, you first need to think about your needs. As a frequent traveler, my gadget match is a phone that I can take with on all my trips. So on a recent trip, I knew exactly what I had to do. We're here in Guanajuato, Mexico for Dia de los Muertos, testing out the new OPPO Find X9 Pro. And after 2 weeks in this beautiful country, I'm convinced this might be the best travel phone that you can buy today. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the places I go, the things that bring me joy, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you're looking for a camera phone to travel, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right one to match your needs. This is the OPPO Find X9 Pro in Mexico. Whenever I travel for fun, even as a self-confessed photographer, I don't bring my big camera anymore. My smartphone has become my main shooter. That's because it's fast and reliable for any situation. And sometimes, like extremely challenging backlit situations, a smartphone can do a better job than a professional camera. The OPPO Find X9 Pro is exactly that. It's got 3 excellent cameras: a 200 megapixel telephoto camera, co-developed with Swedish camera maker Hasselblad, a 50 megapixel main shooter with a super fast f1.5 aperture, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view. But it isn't just the cameras that makes this a great camera phone. There's also OPPO's all-new Lumo image engine working behind the scenes, a proprietary imaging platform that interprets light, color, and depth the way our eyes naturally perceive the world. I pushed it hard and literally shot thousands of photos across Mexico. During our hot air balloon ride over the Teotihuacan pyramids, I remember thinking, this is a once-in-a-lifetime moment. There are no do-overs and I cannot mess it up. Thankfully, I had the Find X9 Pro, and it did not disappoint. Most angles, as expected in an experience like this, were already picture perfect. Colors pop as the balloons fly over the pyramids with blue skies in the background. But because we were on a hot air balloon, and so that everyone could see the view, the balloon would rotate, and sometimes some of my shots were against the light, something other smartphone cameras would have a hard time handling. But the Find X9 Pro delivered. Highlights and shadows stay beautifully balanced while keeping the subject exposed, instead of being overly sharpened with unrealistic HDR effects. I love shooting people, and when it comes to taking portraits, OPPO has always been my favorite. I can still remember all the amazing portraits I shot on the Find X8 Ultra in China earlier this year, and the Find X9 Pro is no different. Its subject-background separation is unmatched and is better than previous generations thanks to Lumo. And the bokeh? Rich, creamy, cinematic, and most importantly, natural. Exactly the kind of look that I love. It was almost as if I brought my big camera with me on this trip. Growing up, I was always taught that where you start doesn't have to define where you end up. That if you dare to dream bigger, you can rewrite your story completely. That's why I'm so excited to partner with Strawberry.me, the sponsor of today's video. They help people take control of their own paths through personalized career coaching. And honestly, it's been a game changer for me. I got matched with a coach who just got me and really helped me zoom in on next action steps. Because even though I've built a life where I get to run my own YouTube channel, review futuristic tech, travel the world, and lead a team I'm proud of, I still find myself asking, what's next? Then I realized something important. No one figures life out alone. Even the most successful people get help. They seek out that outside perspective, a coach that helps them see what they can't see for themselves. And that's exactly what Strawberry.me does. They make that kind of support accessible and affordable. What I love the most is that it's all virtual, so I can meet with my coach whether I'm at home in New York or filming halfway around the world. Their certified coaches trained through ICF accredited programs help you gain clarity, set real goals, and actually follow through. You don't need to have it all figured out to take the next step. Just take their short quiz to get matched with a coach who fits your goals and personality. It's flexible, personal, and it's a real investment in yourself. Visit strawberry.me/gadgetmatch to get started, because the best project that you can work on is you. Now, back to the video. Finally, let's talk about zoom. The Find X9 Pro has 3x optical zoom. I loved using it at the Biblioteca Vasconcelos in Mexico City, where your subject can literally get lost in the endless rows of books. By the way, check out these photos that my friends took of me. At the Palacio de Correos de Mexico, I was able to take not only these shots of its grand staircases and glass ceiling, but also different points of view like these. And a photo walk around the charming town of Guanajuato allows you to put all these lenses to work in the real world. The colors, the textures, the dramatic shifts from the hillside views to the plazas to the alleys. As a photographer, I love the flexibility that these cameras allow. It's such a joy to experiment with different compositions. And if you need more zoom, you can always pop on the Hasselblad Teleconverter Kit. It's like carrying an interchangeable lens DSLR, except unlike a DSLR, it still fits in your pocket. Combined with its 200 megapixel telephoto lens, it gives the OPPO Find X9 Pro 10x optical zoom and then goes up to 20x and 40x. So you can get shots that go from this to this to this. You get incredible detail even from afar. I can just imagine taking this on a safari instead of those extra large zoom lenses. And the best part, it looks amazing in video too. So your travel footage stays consistent no matter how far you're zooming. Sidebar, one of the best things about having this much zoom on a phone is being able to take it to sporting events and concerts. Luckily, when Lady Gaga was in London in October, I had the Find X9 Pro, and here are some photos I shot from that concert. A clean shot in a touristy place is impossible unless you wake up super early or are really good at Photoshop. Which is why OPPO's AI tools have been a lifesaver. Its AI eraser is one of the best I've used. Take this shot, for example. Here's what the Google Pixel did. It erased all the people, great, but then what it filled in was very mushy. Now take a look at OPPO's result. So much cleaner and realistic. There's also reflection remover and AI portrait glow. See this photo of me in the shadows while the hot air balloons in the background are well lit? AI Portrait Glow analyzes photos like this and applies ideal lighting so I can get a better picture without moving to Adobe Lightroom. Of course, if you're traveling with friends or family, everyone will want a copy of those amazing photos. And thankfully, being able to share them from an OPPO to any other phone is quick and easy. OPPO to OPPO is super quick. There's tap to share, which they say is even faster than AirDrop. OPPO to another Android phone, there's quick share. And if you have an iPhone, don't worry, just download the O+ Connect and it'll work just like AirDrop. Fast and simple. Of course, when you're traveling, you're also going to be using your phone to navigate or maybe look up places of interest. So what good is a great camera if it dies before the end of the day? But get this, the OPPO Find X9 Pro packs a massive, wait for it, 7,500 milliamp hour battery. That's larger than any other smartphone we've tested. The battery is so good that after a long day like this one, taking photos and videos, posting on social media, I still have plenty of battery life left in the tank. Mind you, I was also reviewing the phone that day, so expect even heavier use compared to most people. On lighter days, you'll make it to 2 full days without charging. And when you do need a top up, the Find X9 Pro supports 80-watt Super VOOC wired and 50-watt Air VOOC wireless charging. With wired charging this fast, I don't even think about wireless charging, but OPPO sells a wireless charging stand, a magnetic Air VOOC charging puck, and a magnetic power bank separately. So, is the OPPO Find X9 Pro your gadget match? If you're planning on a lot of trips next year and I know I am, and want a phone that shoots beautiful photos and videos, zooms further, edits smarter, shares easier, and lasts longer, the OPPO Find X9 Pro is the travel companion I'd bring every time. In the UK, it retails for £1,099. I hope you enjoyed all the amazing photos I shot with the Find X9 Pro in Mexico. It was a memorable trip, and I'd like to thank OPPO for taking us on that once-in-a-lifetime experience. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. Follow me on social for all the behind-the-scenes fun, travel, and fashion. And for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.